all. Today we are going to see the fourth unit of this subject. The name of the fourth unit is Fundamentals of CNC and Part Programming. The content of this unit is Introduction to Numerical Control Systems and Computerized Numerical Control, Machine Axis and Coordinate System, CNC Machine Tools, Principle of Operation CNC, Construction Features including structures, drives and CNC controllers, two-dimensional and three-dimensional machining on CNC, introduction of part programming and its types, detailed manual part programming on lathe and milling machine using G codes and M codes, cutting cycles, loops, subprogram and macros. Finally, introduction of CAM package. First one, what is the numerical control? Numerical control is a system in which actions are controlled by the direct insertion of numerical data at some point. That means it is the programmable automation in which mechanical action of a machine tools are controlled by the program. We have to develop the program, and this program is sent into the control unit. The control unit read the program and do the signals to the machines. So that is the numerical control. Components of numerical control machines. The major components are machine control unit, machine tool and control loop unit, data processing unit. In machine control unit, it consists of some electronic hardware that reads the numerical control program, interpret it and conversely translate it for mechanical action of the machine tool. So it is the hardware, it is the device, it reads the numerical program, control program and interpret it, convert this program into the mechanical action. Next, the machine tool unit. Machine tool is the main component of a numerical control system which executes the operations. So it is the main component of the numerical control system. It executes the operations. So next one in this slide is introduction. Introduction of CNC. CNC is the machine. CNC is the computerized numerical control. Machines are automated machines which uses program or to automatically execute a series of machines. Computer numerical control machine. CNC machines are automated machines which uses program to automatically execute a series of machining operations. We develop the program and input this program to this unit. This CNC read the program and execute the series of machining. CAD and CAM program is used in modern CNC machines for end-to-end component design. Applications of CNC. CNC machines are widely used in lathe operations, drill press, milling machines, grinding unit, laser cutting, sheet metal press, tube bending operations. That means CNC machine that can perform all the lathe operations, all the drilling operations, all the milling operations, grinding operations, cutting operations, sheet metal operations and tube bending operations. Basic CNC principles. All computer controlled machines are able to accurately and repeatedly control motion in various directions. Each of these directions of motion is called an axis. Depending on the machine type, there are commonly 2 to 5 axes. Additionally, a CNC axis may be either a linear axis in which movement is in a straight line, rotational axis with motion follows a circular path. This is the black diagram of the CNC unit. The input device is the system. We develop the program and send this program to machine control unit. It process, read the program and interpret it and do the signals to the machine tools. This machine tools operates based on the signals. That's the feedback system in this CNC unit. Drives and CNC controllers. Basic function of a CNC machine is to provide automatic and precise control to its elements such as work table, tool spindles and etc. Drives are used to provide such kinds of controlled motion to the elements of a CNC machine tool. A drive system consists of drive motors and ball lead screws. The control unit sends the amplified control signals to acute drive motors, which in turn rotate the ball lead screw to position the machine table or cause rotation of the spindle. Power drives. Drives used in an automated system or in CNC systems are different types such as electrical drives, hydraulic drives and pneumatic drives. First one is the electrical drive. These drives may be a direct current or alternating current or servo motors. These are small in size and are easy to control. Hydraulic drives. These drives have large power to size ratio and provide stepless motion with great accuracy. But these are difficult to maintain and are bulky. Generally, they employ petroleum-based hydraulic oil, which may have higher hazards at upper level of working temperatures. Also, hydraulic elements need special treatment to protect them against the corrosion. Next, the pneumatic drives. Pneumatic drives. These drives uses air as the working medium, which is available in the abundant and is fireproof. They are simple in construction and are cheaper. Electrical drives. Classification of motor of electrical drives are mostly used in position and speed control systems. They, these are the electrical motors are classified into AC motors and DC motors. In AC, there is synchronous motor, induction motors, DC motors, brushed motors, and brushless motors. Stepper motor. A stepper motor is a pulse driven motor that changes the angular position of the rotor in steps. Due to this nature of a stepper motor, it's widely used in low cost and open loop position control systems. The types of stepper motors are: first one is the permanent magnet, second one is the variable reluctance stepped motors. In permanent magnet stepper motors, it has permanent magnet. It is only used for low speed and high torque conditions. Variable reluctance stepped motors, it doesn't have any permanent magnet. It produces only low torques. Servo motors. Servo motors are special electromechanical device that produce the precise degree of rotation. A motor is a DC or AC or brushless DC motor combined with a position sensing device. So servo motors are also called controlled motors as they are involved in controlling a mechanical system. The servo motors are used in a closed loop servo system as shown in figure. This is the black diagram of the servo motors. That is the input unit, amplifying unit, servo motors. That is the output of this servo motors. A feedback device is mounted on the machine, which is either an encoder or resolver. This device changes mechanical motion into electrical signals and is used as a feedback. This feedback is sent to the error detector, which compares the actual operation with that of the reference input. If there is an error, that error is fed directly to the amplifier, which will be used to make necessary corrections in the control actions. In many servo systems, both velocity and positions are monitored. Servo motors provide accurate speed, torque, and have ability of direction control. Linear motion drives. Linear motion drives are mechanical transmission systems which are used to convert rotary motion into linear motions. The conventional thread forms like V or square are not suitable in CNC because of their high wear and less efficiency. Therefore, CNC machines generally employ ball screw for driving their workpiece carriage. The drives provide black loss free operation with low friction wear characteristics. These are efficient and accurate in comparison with that of new-turned screws. Most widely used linear motion drives are ball screws. Pod programming. A group of commands given to the CNC for operating the machine is called the program. This pod program consists of the information about the pod geometry, motion statements to the move the cutting tool, and data related to cutting speed or spindle speed, feed, actually functions such as colon, on and off, spindle directions. This pod program means the program, it has some information. It has some information based on the operations. There are four basic terms used in CNC programming: character, word, block, program. CNC program structures. Character is the smallest unit of CNC program. It can have digit or letter or symbol. Word is a combination of alphanumerical character. This creates a single instruction to the CNC machine. Each word begins with a capital letter followed by the numeral. These are used to represent axis positions, feed rate, spindle speed, preparatory commands, and miscellaneous functions. A program block may contain multiple words sequenced in a logical order of processing. The program comprises of multiple lines of instruction blocks which will be executed by the machine control unit.